Welcome to Unboxing Axe Throw. I'm Chris Rockhold at Rockhold Karate. Today I'm unboxing this axe throwing indoors or outdoor thing. I saw this on someone's Instagram post and I was like, oh my god, I need to get this. So I did some research, found it, and purchased it. Actually, I got it on sale also and picked it up the same day. So it was a very good deal. So let's get to it. I'll bust this thing open. So this is, read the box real quick. Great for tailgating or backyard fun. Okay, great. Includes one axe throw target, safety axes, 8 of them, 2 ground stakes, which I don't think we'll need here, and a set of game rules. We'll see about that. But yeah, so I wanted something for in the studio for axe throwing, and I thought this would be great. Then when I don't have to build something for actual axes to protect my flooring and the walls and all that, so this seemed like a better alternative to that. So let's get all the tape cut away and open it up. There's a lot of tape. All right, get that out of the way here. Uh-oh, missed some tape. Good. Goodness. All right. They weren't messing around. All right, now all the tape has been cut. Great. All right, let's open this thing up, see what we got. All right, there is the yellow axes. It feels like plastic with some rubber on the inside to weigh them, so that gives them the weight. And the blue ones, and lots of parts. Some assembly required. Oh my goodness, this may take a bit. Looks like PVC. Probably could have built this myself. Oh well, that's all right. Limited warranty. Yeah, you break it, you're stuck with it. Too bad. All right, more pieces. More pieces. Oh look, cardboard. More pieces. I'm trying to get all the frame pieces out. All right, let's get started on assembly. Otherwise, this is gonna take all day. Please lay out all your parts before building. Yeah, I'm working on it. Ah. All right, that looks like a major piece. Lots of plastic. All right, cool. All right, that's the target itself, which is folded in half. I'll pull that out in a minute, momentarily. All right, so I've got number 3, 2 of those. These are numbered, I hope. There's a 5. Okay, that is a 6. 7. And another 7 maybe? Yes. Where's your sticker? And another 6. Hey look, matching pieces. All right. Number 5, is there only 2? Oh, where's the other one? Not off to a good start. Okay, it's got to be inside here somewhere then. Or, oh yeah, there they are. Lots of pieces here. Okay. Uh-oh, I'm gonna need a screwdriver at some point. That's the thing about unboxing, you never know what you're gonna need. I'll have to get the screwdriver later. All right. 5, where's the other 5? That's a 4, that's That's a 4. That's an 8. Another 4. Another 4. Okay. 4 4s. Oh, sounds like that lawyer commercial. That guy's annoying. Alright, there's a 3. And another 3. This better be the 7. Or the 5, rather. There's the 5. Okay, cool. Alright, looks like we have... There's a joint. 2 of those. Yes. Alright, get the axes out of the way. Let's double stack you guys. Bag of that. Looks like some magnets in there too. Ground stake, don't need those. Oh, that's what that's for. Great. Alright, let's see. What kind of screws are they? Phillips? And there's a tiny screwdriver. Oh man. I don't know if I have a small enough screwdriver here. We may have to go without. Alright. Time for the box to go. Done. Alright, so this is cool. Oh my god. Ta-da! 2 pieces. Alright, let's flip it over. Make it easier to lock it into itself. Get all those lined up. Come on. There we go. Ta-da! Alright, well, I'll do the screw-in piece later because that seems like it's sturdy enough right now. We'll just go with that. Alright, next frame. Alright, number 8. This one. Number 8. And that one. Alright, let's ditch the plastic. Over there. Over there. Alright, this is a... doesn't have a number. Not helpful. Crap. Looks like the 11. Them actually putting it on there would have been nice. Get going, guys. Fail. Alright, well, considering that's the only piece that looks like that, yeah, we'll go with that. Alright, so that is going to go this way. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh yeah, okay, I see how it goes. Well, it doesn't go very far in there, so the picture shows otherwise, so there's that. Alright, we'll make sure that's perpendicular. Cool. And also this way, turned it in. Cool. Number 6, where are we at? 5, 6, there it is. Done. Plastic. Alright, there's the cross piece. And there's the other one. Alright. And then we got a couple 4s. Lots of 4s over here. There's 1. And there's 2. Alright. That's going to go in this one. And this one goes in here, and this one. Building stuff. All right. Now, here's the frame, which has these other connectors. Now, the trick is, which way does it go? This way. Okay. Gotta match the picture. Alright. That goes on there like that. And that. Alrighty. Cool. Now, I got this other flat piece. There's two of them. And these other little weird pieces. Alright, so I got those. Oh, those are kind of... Okay, there we go. Little trick to that, you gotta angle it just right to feed it in. There we go. Alright, and... Nope. Maybe. Yes, okay. And these will go into that. And there's a little ridge on that. So, that goes all the way. That goes all the way. Next. Alright, more forest. Shocking surprise. There's one. And there's two. Now, question is, how is that going to go on there? So I'm going to flip that over, like so. And that goes in there, like so. And that one goes into this one. And then in keeping with this one, right there. All right. This may be a longer video than I anticipated. I was like, it'll go quickly. Oops, that one came off. There's always one that doesn't want to play nice. There we go. All right. Now, we've got another cross piece, number 6. Where are you? There you are. And these two little T pieces. Number 12, which doesn't have the numbers on. Because, of course, that would be too easy. And then we've got, no, not those. Okay. Assembled that one. Now we get this other foot piece. And we're going to feed it into this one. Just like so. Now that I know the trick, it's even easier. 2 little end caps. Make sure the lines are lined up. And that one. How we done so far? Oh man. Time is burning on this one. Okay, there's that piece. And now I need 3s. Are these all 3s? They're all 3s. Nope. 2 3s. Wait. Didn't miss a step, did I? Oh, there are some other pieces involved here. These two. All right. There's this one that's going to go in this frame part here. Yeah. Did you hate it when you skip a step? I was like, something doesn't make sense. All right, 3s and 5s. So 3s are at the bottom. That'll be on my end piece here. Plus I gotta clamp on these other ones. Okay. So let's make sure we're doing that right. All right, that slides onto that one. Wait. Did I grab the wrong piece? I did. Wrong one. 3 is at the other part. Not yet. It's a 5. Looking at the wrong picture. All right, so that hook is inward, facing up like that. And the other 5 facing inward like that. Maybe. Let's flip it around. Maybe easier this way. Really? Oh, there it goes. Okay. I was like, seriously? We're doing this. All right, so that's gonna be at the bottom here. Let's hook that in. One piece at a time, man. Okay, that one's locked in-ish, maybe. We'll see when the whole thing falls apart as I put it up right. That'd be hilarious. Not really, I'd be sad about that. All right, there's the T-piece, cross piece. All right, that's in there. That's in there. Now I can use the 3s. Let's get all this crap out of the way. There we go. Another 3. Oh my God. All right, that goes on here. Like so. Now, the question is where I'm going to store this thing. It may fit in the ninja closet. We'll see. All right. There's that. Dun dun dun. Ah, okay. So, I'm going to take this piece to lock in down here at these angle pieces. Maybe. Now we know how straight this is or not. Why, man? Why? Why are you so crooked? All right, there's that. That's gonna come out this direction. That goes onto there like that. Cool. Ah. Cool. All right, we have a frame. Boom, boom. Look at that. Now we can figure out which way it faces. All right, the plastic face down. Oh boy, this is exciting. Let's get that over here. We'll fit the symbols here real quick. All right, that's gonna hook on the back. I know you can't see that right now, but that's, you know, it's okay. Uh-oh. Yeah, I didn't calculate for that. All right. So, some of my assembly may be a little questionable. I gotta push that down a little bit. Oh my, that's all crooked. Why are you so crooked, man? Alright, obviously I'll straighten that out later on a flat surface. Not a rubber mat. Alright, well, let's see if it engages right, because I have a problem. Uh-oh. That is a problem. The width is wrong. Alright. Cool. I'm going to pause the video. Maybe not really, but, you know, I'm going to come over here on the concrete. Alright, some assembly forcibly required. How is that crooked? Why is that crooked? Okay. Well, quality ratings are kind of low on this one right now. Alright, did this fix it? Do they line up? They do, okay. Yay! Half a victory. Alright. I have to reassemble the back leg. Or the front leg, I guess. Well, I'll have to bring up my rubber mallet from the house. And then do some fine tuning. But there it is. For the most part. Look at that. Pretty cool. Alright, now let's see this sucker in action. And hopefully it doesn't collapse. We'll find out if this was worth the money or not. Alright. Now we'll see if my aim is any good. Let's go with blue. Oh, it's actually sealed. Alright, well, let's see what happens. Oh, too high. There we go. Alright, that's kind of cool. Alright, now I know what the weight is on these things. I can aim a little lower. Maybe. There we go, okay. I gotta get calibrated here. Oh yeah, that's freaking cool. Like, seriously. Alright, let's see if I can do a little bit better. And go. Oh, at least it's on the target. Come down. Come down. There we go. Clearly, I'm out of practice of my throwing abilities. Let's see, I haven't thrown an axe or knife probably close to a decade, I guess. Yeah, it's been a while. Oh man, I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Right? This is so cool. Like, it won't damage, man. That's great. Let's go. I'm gonna go this way with it. Show you a different angle. Oh yeah, I definitely need to fix the frame better. But it's workable right now. Here, we'll do it this angle. Let me back it up a little bit. Like I said, I get a rubber mallet. We'll fix those pipes really well, and it'll be fine. All right, so I'm right here at the edge. Oh, nice. There we go. There we go. A little high. There, nice. 3 out of 4. I'll take it. All right, I'm totally stoked. Now I'm gonna get crazy with it. Let's see if we can do 2 axes at one time. Not exactly what I was thinking was gonna happen. Oh no! All right. All right. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. Totally for sure. Just gonna take some practice. I'll set the frame up a little better. I gotta adjust that a little bit. Good to go. I may do a separate video just for me playing around with these, getting a little better at them. But yeah, they're not sharp. And you can see they'll split, so it's rubber to give it the weight. And it's balanced pretty well, actually. And these are bristles, which, yeah, it's holding up really well. And I'm not even really throwing that hard, just enough to get comfortable with it. Let's see if I can do left-handed. Oh, I do left-handed better, of course. Dude, this is awesome. All right, so most fun unboxing I think so far to date. Nice. Yeah, you're gonna see a lot more videos coming up with this one. This is awesome. So there you have it. Ton of unboxing axe throw. There's the anchors, which I won't need in here. If I ever take it outside, that'll be cool. And then the cool thing, like it all stores together. So it'll fold down once I tighten it up a little bit. But you can put the axes right here inside the stand itself. But first I gotta throw a couple more just because. And then, oh no. Then call it a day. No! All right, 2 bad shots. There we go. It's all about the follow through, and it's been, like I said, almost a decade since I've probably thrown anything. So yeah, there we go. I'll get a little further back and see how it goes. And oops, off into space. There we go. Ooh, bad throw. There it is. All right, so that was probably double the distance of what you were seeing on camera. Yeah, that one's in a different zip code. Cool, so I may do that tomorrow night with my sword class. We'll do a little archery, do a little axe throwing. And we'll have the curtain so the axes won't go flying off. There you have it. Unboxing the axe throw by Eastpoint. All right, take it easy.